invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Let's see what the market's been doing overnight, shall we? So we had a nice rise up yesterday and then it collapsed. Today we had a big dip and we came right back up to this area here. So dip down on ESO at 56.73. Looks like the high was 56.94, so about 21 points in range. NQ, same dip, same rip. 541 up to 655. At 110 points in range. Kappa. Looks like we have about 80 ticks there. Ultra Bond. Wow, over a point in range today, about a point and a quarter. Gold ripping. Ooh, got close to all-time, well, getting closer to all-time highs. Ooh, I still have, I was showing someone something where entries would have been last night. So they have about 24 points in range there. Crude oil, big dip. Look at that fall. Whoosh. Getting close to, back down to 80. We have about 170 ticks. Big move on crude oil last night. Natural gas heading up, and Bitcoin having a good day. It's pulled back a little bit, but got up almost to 65. We're at 63.8 now, so that's where we sit standing. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning, as we are ready to rock and rumble. We do have news this morning. News. Coming up at 8:30, U.S. retail sales, Canadian CPI. And at 10 o'clock, U.S. NAHB Housing Market Index. Sounds like fun. Rising up nicely here. That had a nice one right there, boom. But I was right as I was right before I was coming on. Yesterday was a good day on this account, 4 for 4. I forget, 560, 583, something like that. Let me look. 593, that's right, 593. What shocks will the prop firm world give us today? Yesterday we got shocked by the news coming out of Blue Sky. Hopefully today might be good news. I don't know. Or no news at all. They say no news is good news, so. Slight grind up. Just said what the high was like 5 minutes ago, and I don't remember. 655. About 20 points off the high. Let's watch it. Gold's rising as well. Dow's heading up. I'm stifling a yawn. And pulls down. Purple candle there, because kind of it was a small candle. I mean, it would have led to the promised land, but yeah. Good morning, Moxie. How are you today? Pulls down. Good morning, Juan. Awesome. Congratulations, Moxie. This never feels any different versus a sim trading. Excellent. Yep. MyFundedFutures begrudgingly has become one of my favorite firms. Waiting for the caffeine to kick in. 15 minutes till news. We're Chape this morning here at 6:30. That's not the time. That's at the level. 26:30. Chape, chape, chape. At the same time. Popping up. Oh, it wasn't. No, he's popping down. Down, up. What's the difference? Down to the 100 EMA on the NQ. Sideways. Be nice if we can get that volatility we had yesterday. Yesterday, all our troubles seemed so far away. Life seems like such an easy game. No, it just never seems easy. Hope to see Crypticon today, see how he fared. We had some nasty storms here in Illinois, but up his way was even worse than down here. Yawning. Man, I can't escape the yawns. I can't escape the yawns. Morning, Speed Racer. How you doing? Bounces on that 100. I'm doing well, thank you. Blue candle pop there. I don't trust it. See if I'm wrong. I think like this time yesterday, I had two good trades. This morning, it's not really. I mean, I missed this one, but other than that, so 26.31 half. As we just kind of wait. Another blue candle. At this point, I might wait until after the news that coming up in about 7 minutes. Still not doing much. If it doesn't soon start doing stuff, I'm going to start singing. Where's it at right now? 56.91 375. 569175. Still trying to rise up here. Slow grind. Yeah, it does seem to have less volatility this morning so far. Also did bounce off its 100 EMA though. The 100 EMAs are about the same spot. Gold's rising nicely. Gold getting closer and closer to its all-time highs. Morning, John. How are you this morning? Nice, John. Nice. There you go. Yeah, we need to start spreading the news. Morning, J-Man. Yeah, I couldn't do much worse than that national anthem last night. Oh, say does that. Yeah, there was a lot about that national anthem. It was a good derby though. Although, John, I don't know if you feel that MLB messes with the baseballs year to year. I think last night I was kind of proving that they've deadened the ball. I remember a couple of years ago we were constantly seeing in the Derby 480, 490, even a couple 500-foot home runs. I think last night it was like 5 total above 450. Here comes news in less than 10 seconds. Quick burst right. Whoa. Wow. What the heck? I didn't think that was a big news report. Wow. So, anyone wasn't prepared for that. We just got shocked. And now we're back rising up. So it dipped from 628 down to 575, and now we're back up to 642. That's a CPI NFP type move. And it actually dipped right beforehand down like 7 points, and then whoosh. Sorry, that was kind of annoying. I don't usually get that annoying. But wow, what the heck? Wow. So I definitely didn't see that coming, and it's kind of ruining my charts, making it look all flat. What the heck? Okay, so let's look at the numbers. U.S. retail sales month over month, actual 0%. They expected negative 0.3. So that's actually a positive number. Canadian CPI, year 2.7, which is what they forecast. Month over month was negative 0.1. They expected positive 0.1, so that's a good thing for the Canadians. I don't know why we had that much of a reaction. No clue. And now we seem to be rising up. But my charts are all funky because of that big wick. Mid caps up big, gold big dip. Anybody get caught in that, or did anybody catch that? I was deer in the headlights. I didn't even think to try and take a move off of it. Raw and Q chart, or almost raw. Makes it easier to watch until it normalizes with that big wick. Might be trying to come down. Well, this we're sideways. Market's trying to digest this. Trying to maybe head up more, but I don't know if I want to trust that. Kind of shell shocked. I believe they said the goal was by 2 p.m. I thought that's what I saw. It was like so it was like just an hour or two of trading, but I'm not sure. It was data issues all over yesterday. Rhythmic had some outages yesterday. Apparently, a truck hit a utility pole that knocked out some fiber to a major data center in New Jersey. Sometimes I feel like our entire infrastructure is held together with like super glue and duct tape. So market's kind of stagnant here as it tries to figure out. Gold though is dying. Look at this drop on gold, beautiful on a 5-minute chart. It'd be beautiful on any chart, but you know. NQ is rising. Just about near its, did it hit its highs at all? No. 655 is the Globex high. I mean, I think the problem is you know, the TradeDay platform, the live servers, the people, the actual brokerage, the ones that hit the live market, just like Rhythmic, the ones that hit the live market, the servers that hit the live market don't have nearly as many outages. They just don't properly care about the paper trading servers. They don't upgrade them like they should. They haven't, honestly, they were not prepared for the growth of the industry, at least not at first. Now they should be, but they just, they don't seem to care, honestly. Now, there is a straight CQG feed, not through TradeDay. Only one prop firm has that so far, and that's Tick Tick Trader. And I'm assuming that's better, but I don't know. There's rumor also that Ninja Trader, TradeDay, whatever, is going to come out with their own data feed when they start allowing prop firms to sign up for uh, Ninja and TradeDay again. I don't know if that's true or not. Sitting on that 20 EMA. Sorry about the chart, but if I widen the chart out right now, it does that. So it's hard to look at. So I've got to put it there for now until we get some more data coming in. A few more candles. A few more candles in the wind. I'm not sure. Explained would be the right word. Josh made a statement on my server. Basically, he said the core team, including myself, has quit. We tried to offer him a really long transition period, but apparently he's not interested. Can't really say anything else at the moment, as you can imagine. Purple candle here, but we're getting extended on the RSI, so I don't really care for it. We'll see if it proves me wrong. It fall back down after that, and that was a nice candle there. Still no trades this morning. Hopefully we'll get one soon. And I'm glad I didn't fall for the purple. Wow. Big rise back up. That rise up, trying to get back up, trying to get up to the Globex overnight high, which is at 655. We're 5 points away, 4 points away, 5 points away. I'm not going to keep saying it on every price movement. About 45 minutes from the bell. Didn't quite get to Globex high, got with a 1.5 points. Pulls back, purple candle down to the 9, kind of floats above the 9. Pops up. Bounces on the 9. It's kind of sitting here. I gotta start getting better sleep. Morning, Chris. How are you today? Still falling. Almost said rising. That wouldn't have made sense. No, would it? It was a nice come down. I considered that purple candle. I mean, obviously it would have worked. I don't know. Trying to look at it now, I try to look at it from this perspective. If I had been back testing, would I have taken that? It's probably, it was probably one I should have taken. And maybe that was one too. So kind of like, ugh. Okay, gotta get my head in the game now. Missed a couple of opportunities. So yeah, put down and continue falling. Okay, let's get the next one. Anyone else besides G-Man taking any trades here right now? G-Man almost got his 5. It's got with it a tick. There's go G-Man, go boom. MightyOxTrading live streams have more G-Man booms than any other live stream on YouTube. Hey, Crypticon, good to see you. How was that storm up there last night? I was a little worried about you. Thankfully, it did not get as bad down here, but I was a little worried for a bit. Good, I'm glad to hear that. I guess I got lucky in that there were like several power outages in Decatur, but I wasn't one of them. Uh, Cool. First of all, congrats, Crypticon, and Apex is running a little slow right now with getting things set up and all, so you might need to wait a little bit. About 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Sounds like I work for who? Apex? No. I just know how things work. It's my job to stay on top of the prop firm industry for you guys. I just try and follow the trends of what's happening with each company. Just what I see people talking about. Bouncing off the 100 EMA, so I tried to pop back up. I didn't trust it because it was right there at that 100 EMA. And it looks like it's trying to come back now. Down now. Down now, brown cow. Oh, I don't know. Still sitting here. Looks like it's popping. Hopping, stopping, popping like a rabbit when I guess I needed. There's I guess the hay of it. Up, back up to the 20. Ba ba ba. All the EMAs are getting tangled up there. The 9, the 20, and the 100. So, Crypticon, were you here yesterday when we were talking about Blue Sky? I forget. Nice rise back up. Nice bounce. I considered taking the bounce there. Again, the 100 EMA kind of took me away from it. There's the top of the hour. Pulls back. Pulls back. All right. Pulls down. Big pullback there. That's a big candle. Wait. So you're gonna stream your trading, but they'll hear my voice? No, I'm just was trying to understand it. Relax, Crypt. I'm not complaining. I was just trying to understand your concept. That's all. So what people would see would be your charts, but my voice. I guess I'm fine with whatever you want to do, Crypticod. Really, I mean, I don't have a problem with that. Whatever is best for you, my friend. Whatever is best for you. I'm pretty easy to get along with. Oh, sorry, hit the mic. Purple candle there coming off the 9. It's kind of tangled up though. I don't know. I don't like the price action today. Yesterday was easier. I want to go back to yesterday. Yesterday, our trading seems so. No, that didn't work out. I should have just went with the regular song. Didn't have lyrics planned ahead of time. My mistake. Some new person here probably like, what the hell is he talking about? I'll check it out after stream, Crypt. All right. So about 22 minutes, 23 minutes or so to go until the bell. Should see Ace arriving soon. Hopefully he remembered to put his trash out. Everyone else is so quiet. The only person talking is Crypticon. Where is everybody this morning? Y'all awake? Wake up, jumped out the bed. Gold rising. Hey, JJR, how you doing? How'd you do yesterday, JJR? Nice little rise here. Oh, that's right. That's why I like to have at least two companies. If one has an issue, the other one might not. I should say two companies and two different data feeds. So I have Apex on Rhythmic, I have MyFundedFutures on TradeDay, and I have Topstep on TopstepX. If they all don't work, then I suspect that the CME has been attacked. Yeah, you might not get it today, Crypt. Honestly, you might be waiting a day. I mean, they're just slower right now. I mean, I got an email that my affiliate payment was on the way last Monday, so that was on the 8th, and it didn't hit my bank account until this morning. So 8 days for ACH is incredibly slow. Oh, so wait, never mind. Don't just ignore everything I say. There you go, Crypt. I mean, Chris, the did I get to the bottom of it? No, but Josh did make a statement, Chris, on my server, saying, hold on, this is what he said yesterday. The core team, including myself, has quit. We tried to offer him a really long transition period, but apparently he's not interested. Can't really say anything else at the moment, as you can imagine. Oh. He would be Mike, the CEO of Blue Sky, the owner of Blue Sky. Zero trades for me. Kind of. I missed a couple. Couple were iffy. So hopefully we get something after the bell. I mean, Chris, if you have accounts with them, I wouldn't waste them. But if you don't, then yeah, it's kind of a wait and see approach, in my opinion. Let's see how they handle this. Nice blue candle here. Do I want this? I do want this, I think. Too late. Yeah, I did want that, but I didn't get myself in position in time. I mean, right now, I had been saying Blue Sky was my number one firm. Now number one's up for grabs. At this point, Topstep, MyFundedFutures, and Bulenox are right there as well. Those three. Blue Sky still has the best statics, but yeah, I mean, I definitely, I don't. What I said yesterday, because I've gotten the question multiple times: should we continue trading with Blue Sky? So let me see if I can find what I said, because it was pretty good. Wow, I talk a lot. I talk way too much. This is what I said. If there's any issues with Blue Sky, it will be annoyance issues and not payment issues. If I had an account with them, I would continue trading with them. In my opinion, if there are issues that will manifest slowly over time, Josh built a great system there that they should be able to just take over. So for now, all payouts and stuff should be fine. Just watch for any declines over time. I'm talking over weeks and months. That's my thoughts. So where will we go at the bell? 15 minutes away. We've been stagnant. You can see this is the 5-minute chart I have hiding over here on the side. And we really have been, with the exception of a little bit around news, we've been kind of stagnant for the last 3 hours, really. Grass might still be wet from last night, Chris. I will trade a Cynic account, Crypt, or whatever. I mean, nothing about going to cut grass. It should be cooler up there, right? I know down here they want it really cool in the next few days. Like some days highs only getting in the 70s. I'm melting, melting. Yeah. So Chris, I mean, if you're looking for another account, Topstep or MyFundedFutures would probably be where I would head right now. All right, Crypt. I refuse to say Ace's name because whenever I say Ace's name, then because he's just sitting there waiting for me to say, "Look, Ace isn't here yet," so he can pop in and say, "I'm here." So I'm not going to say his name. Yeah. We all love Ace trades. How you doing today, David? Oh, where are you heading to, David? Ah, heard it's pretty beautiful down there. Trade of 8 froze up again. Oh yeah, mine's frozen too. Yep. Yep, it's going again. There's Ace. Morning, Ace. Yeah, you're not on the paper trading server, G-Man. Uh, Ace trash out. Yep. Works like magic. That's awesome. I think she's just earned herself a hoodie. Sitting on this 20 EMA as we head toward the bell. Well, I would make a meme of K-pop fun time taking out the trash, but I would have no idea how to put that into the whole AI thing. Yep. He's 100% ES. If you bring up crude oil to G-Man, he just starts twitching from PTSD. Little pop there, 5 minutes till. Yeah, no, you don't want to mention crude to G-Man. He'll that PTSD will kick in, and he'll start like twitching. Okay? He's just all about ES, and he does really, really well with it. So he really has no reason to diversify. Yeah, I do. Yep. When I remember, a lot of times I'll look at the clock, and in the evening I'll be like, "Crap, I missed the open." I need to set up a little reminder. He starts saying wax on, wax off. So I guess I might need to find a new banner for the top. We have to see what I can come up with. Yes, they are. If you can call Ace taking one trade and making enough money in that one trade to feed his family every day, full time. Full time for him is like 5 minutes. We are less than, oh well, just about 30 seconds to the bell. You traded everything, G-Man? I bet you never took an lean hogs trade. I'll, I'll be your huckleberry. So look at that. We hit Globex high right there at the bell and then whoosh down. It's a whooshing machine. So maybe a double top and then drop. They didn't try to wrap that. I was always kind of disappointed that pork bellies wasn't really that much of a trading thing when I started trading futures. Going down. Consider taking the short here. Didn't. Yeah. Sorry. Gold rising. Crude rising. Let's see. Crude oil rising. Dow's still heading up. Dow's missing RJ. Keeps trying to impress people because RJ's not here. He's a married man now. Wonder if we'll ever see him again. Rising back up. Whoa, big move up. Ace is Lubbock. Pulling back. ES at 5,700. I forget what the all-time high now in ES is. I feel like we're close. Yeah. Well, not that close. 57.18, the all-time high on ES. Did we hit the all-time high yesterday? We did. We hit the all-time high on ES yesterday. I didn't realize that. Make sure you get treated for Lyme disease. Pull back. Down. bounce there. Look at that. Thought it was ready to come down. Look at that. So twice now. Let's quickly zoom in on that. Look at this. Down to the 100 EMA. Tried to break through. Couldn't. Boom. Down to the 100 EMA. Woo can't break through. Whoosh. Come for the trading. Stay for the sound effects. Now we're rising. What's NQ's all-time high? We do that? No, we didn't do that yesterday. That's right, 983. So we're only 300 points off of that. Wow, whoosh, up to 671. Nice, Ace. Ooh, and right back down. Or if this is a reversal now. Wow, big move right back down. Popping, bouncing off that 20, right back up. We are barcoding with big candles. I figured that, Ace. I figured. I don't know. Better put it for overtime pay there, Ace. You actually, took 6 minutes today. Big purple candle back down. I don't know if I trust it. It's got 15 seconds to tell me if I should trust it or not. See how that 100 EMA is there looming. It's a 19-point candle. I didn't take it. I should have. Maybe. See if it bounces on that 100 again. That 100's what scared me. Yeah, look at that. Another bounce on the 100. Look at that. So far, my instincts were right. Now, what's to entice me with a blue candle? New high. Running up to 680. I should have. So the blue candle's the one I should have trusted, I guess. ES has been much smoother than NQ this morning, actually. All nice green candles there on the 1 minute chart. Right back down. What goes up must come down. Well, bet you people that went short at like ES 3000 wish that was true. We can move back down 20 points. Sniffs that 9 EMA. Tickles the 9 EMA. Definitely getting in the 9 EMA's personal space. Still at 675. High day. 684 half. Taking the short there on that purple. It's probably going to be a mistake. Let's see. It's because it's sitting right on the 9. So it's probably a bad trade right off the bat. But let's see. Oh, maybe not. Oh, got to the 20. Come on. Target hit. There we go. Like I said, good trade right off the bat. 10-point win. Still falling. Thank you. Should have targeted the 100 EMA. But hey, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Wow. Dead fall here now. So from the top to now, we've dropped 50 points. Big old bounce. Bounces there. Tries again. Blue candle went right on that 100, which has been an issue. So we'll wait and see. And it bounces off that 100 again, just this time on the downside. I could be rich today just taking the bounces off the 100. Nice fall here. It's going to break 600 or will we bounce? Touch 600 3/4. So you see how important that 100's been today. 100 EMA. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Came down, finally broke. Came back up, bounce, bounce. Bounces off 600. ES bouncing off 5,700 basically. Blue candle. Do I want to trust this? These are the times that try men's souls. I should have trusted it. That's okay. Just hanging here. 610. Glad I didn't take that blue candle. It went up 7 points, looks like, and right back down. I was right. How's everyone else doing today? Heading toward the 10 o'clock hour. Ooh, mid caps are running today. I don't know. He said he'll stop in at times during the honey. Well, they're not really doing it. I don't know. It's a great question, Ace. Excellent job, John. Excellent job. Thank you. Coming back down, bouncing again off. It kind of bounced off the 20 there, but the 100's sitting there too. Oh, I thought that was the size of shorts you wore. Guess that's kind of small. Falling again. Broke 600, down to 588. ES down to 5,700 again. Gold's falling as well. Dow is still going to the moon. Mid caps are going to the moon. What's our low a day? Low a day, 541. We're only about 30 points off that on NQ. Continues to fall. ES down to its 100 EMA. Sniffing it. Pulls back from it. These 100 EMAs must need better deodorant. Blue candle. Pop. It's got 45 seconds. Coming back down. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Just checked what the low was, and then I forget it. 541. We'll see if NQ can break its Globex low. It got close within like 3 ticks. There's the break. And maybe a bounce. ES down to 56.95. G-Man go boom. We got a booming G-Man again. Nice, G-Man. Down to 523 here, just continuing to fall. Yesterday's low was 506. By the way, notice ES is nowhere near as weak as NQ today. And look at the Dow. Oh my God. Dow's made new all-time highs now. Finally, Dow was lagging the other two indicators. Now they're and other two assets, not indicators. But wow, 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 wow. Look at the Dow. Sorry. Struggling to get through 518. ES is hanging on 56.94. Mid caps are having a day. Still falling. Down to 505. 501. Levi's 501. ES back to a red candle down to 56.93. NQ seeing if it wants to break 500. Just got down below yesterday's lows. Ooh, little green there. Long. Maybe not. Nope, stopped out. Wasn't ready. My own fault. Gave back my one win. That's fine. Should have just placed the stop at the wrong place, I think. Didn't move it in time, I should say. But we'll see. Nope. Glad I stopped at a 10 or else I would have stopped at a 20. Break of 500 down to 490. Mid cap's even pulling back now. CNQ now going back to that rise on Friday, giving back most of that. One candle early. Nice pop. Yep, gives it right back. Took the long on a Topstep funded account. Shooting for that 9 EMA. Pulls back off of it. Didn't quite touch it. Nah. Stupid trading, stupid trading, stupid trading. Took a small win there, but should have been much bigger. Maybe try to pop again here. I just ended up being early on that first green candle. If it breaks this 9 here on this and it stays blue, then I'm going to take a long on the MyFundedFutures account, and I'm going to target that 20 EMA, which is about 26 points away. I like the blue candle. I don't like that it's tickling that 9 and not getting through. Let's see what happens. 5 seconds on it. Now it's pulling away. It looks like it's still going to try and break it. I didn't take it. Still struggling with it there. Look at that. Just hang in here. Yes. Purple candle drop. Gold's bounced off its 100 EMA. I need to go back and see how many times things bounce off those EMAs. Nice big move here. Again, struggling to break through that 9. Now it does. Nope, pulls back from it. Again, blue candle, none. Yeah. Great job, Sid. Good morning. I'm back, I think. Can you guys hear me? I lost connection for like 30 seconds. Okay, good. Ooh, pop. I want this if it sticks. That's a huge candle, though. I hate huge candles. I'm long on micros. Seeing that on the 5-minute chart. I want 529. Go there. So I took it off the 1-minute, but we're following it on the 5-minute because that's where I had the micro chart. 529 is the 120 EMA. I actually have it sitting at 531. I might, you know what? Do I want to move my target? I do. See if I'm getting greedy here. Yep, nope, I should have kept my target where I was at. Darn it. Tell me not to get greedy again. I'm going to put it back. It did exactly what I said it was going to do, and I got greedy. It touched that 120 EMA. Look at that. Let's see if my greed pays off and it comes back up for me, or doesn't hurt me, I guess I should say. There we go. Target hit. I should have stayed greedy. No. Okay. That was a nice win. 15 to 30. So 15-point win. Yeah, I should have stayed greedy. I gotta stop being afraid of those little pullbacks. This looks like it wants to go up to the EMA of the 9 EMA on the 5. But we'll see what it does. Back to green by 127 on the day on the MyFundedFutures account. Technically, it's a signal on the 5. It looks like it would have been a good signal. Look at that. It's already gone 9 points, 10 points. Yep. If I was trading the 5-minute chart, that would have been the perfect signal, and I should have probably just grabbed another trade on it. Pulls back. So it went up, they're about 13 points off that blue candle. Pulls back after touching the 9. Which I ended up also being the Bollinger Band on the 1. Look at that fall. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying this stream, I'd appreciate if you would score that like button. You two know you're enjoying the stream. Got about 35 minutes left on the stream. 2 for 3 on MyFundedFutures today. 1 for 1 on Topstep. The Topstep one could have been much better one, but 1 for 1 nonetheless. Pulls right back down. Oh, glad I didn't take. I mean, if I would have taken the blue candle off the 5 for a quick 10 points, that'd have been good. But usually off of 5, I'll be looking for more. So glad I did not do that. As it just continues to drop. 485 is our low day. It's back to try and see if it can break through 500. Can it break on through to the other side? I think I might want to try and bounce off 500. 497 technically, but yeah, look at that bounce. Can it get through the 9? Can't get through the 9. 9. Trying to bounce the 500 again. It's kind of yo-yoing. Not YOLO. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yo-yoing. Not YOLOing. So used to saying YOLO that now when I try and say yo-yo, I say YOLO. There's somebody tuning in right now is like, what is this guy babbling about? And he goes right back to Patrick Wheeland. Crude oil, nice rise. Dow is still going up. Look at this Dow chart. Look at this. Look at that. Blue candle. Can it get through the 9? Can it get through the 9? answer is no. Kind of got stagnant here over the last 5 minutes. Market's like, what do I want to do now? Do I want to go up? Do I want to go down? Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I still can't decide. Up, down, up, down. Maybe up. Big ups. From the 9 to the 20. Sniffs the 20, comes back down. Ooh, big candle. Ouch. I would have probably wished I was on the 32nd on that one. Wow, 32 points. Yeah, I don't like big candles. We're long on micros. I'm late as usual. And we might just give back. Yep, this is why I hate big candles. See it giving back. Bounced. I got in late too, so I think I got in that late. Yep, gonna get stopped out here. Give it, win a trade, lose a trade. How today's been. So right now, once this stops me out, I'll be down just commission. There we go. Told myself, don't take the long off the big blue candle. I took the long off the big blue candle. Bouncing back up. It's trying again. If I put my stop below the big blue candle, it would be good. So we're trying again. On a mini this time. Because why not? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Except for it pulls back. Of course it does. Come on. Really? If I stop down at the wick of the blue candle, which is what my plan is, even though that's scary as heck. I should have went with micros. Come on. Come on. Push up. There we go. trying to see. Target is right at the top of that, where this wicked out up at 554. See the 100 EMA is all the way up to 578. Not wanting to push up higher. Come on, come on. There you go. There we go. I'll take it off there. So we got 9 points. It was as much as 15, but we got 9. Have a good and safe trip, Sid. Nice seeing you. Did pull back there, so I'm glad I got out where I did, although I could have got 15 if I just targeted 15. Yeah, look at that pullback. Wow. The Dow is still rising. Well, I didn't realize I actually had that on a daily chart down there, but it's still rising. I need to change that though. Thought I was looking at a 5-minute chart. AQ heading back down to 20,500. Not 2,500, but to 20,500. Could you imagine the panic if we were heading to 2,500? I used that joke yesterday. Nice turnaround there. Heading back up. Stopped on a dime. Trading's been up and down today. I'm green on 2 accounts though, for now. I'm assuming this price action isn't something your algo would have liked, Burrow. Rises back up. So pull back, then turn around. So again, I'll point out, my strategy is if I take a blue candle, my stop's supposed to be below that blue candle. This is the candle I took, and I instead of doing this, where I would not have gotten stopped out and taken the loss on that first trade, I put my stop at 15 to be safe. But look at this rise up here, and that stopped me out. Where if I had done what I say I should do, I would have never taken the stop. And it is heading back up to, I mentioned that 100 EMA, and you can see it rising up. Oh. Well, good luck to your algo, Mr. Burrell. Sorry, I've been pronouncing your name wrong all this time, and I apologize for that. I realized it after the last podcast. And I still do it. Touches that 100 EMA again. Look at that. To the tick. See if it breaks through. Oh, that's true. Yeah, but honestly, in my mind, I thought it was the other way around. I thought you said Burrell was right and Burrell was wrong, but either way. So, and now the same thing we just talked about 5 minutes ago. I was talking about how this was a blue candle trigger off the 5. And again, now I didn't take it. And, if I would if it would had to have been on micros because, the enormity of the stop would have had to be like 40, like 50 points. So the only way I could do that is with a couple of micros. But you can see it's gone 40 points and gone to that 20. And the target might even be 70. We'll see. We'll leave that there to see if it gets up to approximately 607. Yeah, I use micros if the stop needs to be huge, at least for now. Nice, G-Man. Me and my freezer are fighting. Give me a second. I won, in case anyone cares. So nice bounce off that 100 EMA on the NQ, back down. Again, just playing these. I gotta test the bounces off the 100 EMA. I have to. It's just happening too much now that I'm noticing it. He just feels it's that if you're gonna take risk, you should take full risk. I guess big risk, big reward instead of messing around with micros and making $20. I my opinion, micros are good for new people and good for people that just have. I mean, anyone should be able to trade anything they want, either way. But they're also good for people that just might get too. The mentality of trading a mini might be too much, but yet they can successfully trade the micros because it's less risk. Anybody should be able to trade anything they want. And obviously, if you're trading, an act, your own money in a brokerage, obviously, the margin is much. You don't need to put up as much too. So Did I catch the drop? The NQ drop? No. I got stopped out on an attempt to go long on it at the end. But I'm up. I'm green. Not as green as I could be, but I'm green. How are you doing today, Hassan? Nice, nice. Does that mean who we talking about, G-Man? Back up to that 100 EMA. Nice bounce there. Can it break through? Second attempt. Hassan, have you seen what the Dow's doing? Look at that. It's a floating candle just out of just floating there. Still, there we go. There's the breakthrough. Can it hold? It broke through here and then immediately rejected down. Down, down, down. Breaking out is hard to do. Right back down. We're sandwiched between the 9 and the 100. Nope, it's trying to break that 9. Yeah, it did come down. They should have taken the purple. Purple off the 100. Usually a good one. You see if we gave a purple here, this one came down only 8 points and bounced. Then well, actually, we could have got 10. Could have managed our expectations. Yep, still falling. So nope, not a breakout. It's a rejection. Rejected. It reject me. Fake, fake, fake out. Yeah, I don't think this purple candle's going to want to go down for me. And there you see bounce. Ooh, nice bounce. Yep. Now it's falling. Not afraid to fall. Whoosh. Whoosh. I just bounced right off that level there, Burl. And big blue candle bounce back up. Can it get through the 9 and the 20? It's kind of hanging there. It's one of those areas that I'm just not sure about. So far, bounce off. All right, maybe up. Totally undecided. Undecided. Yeah, that's good English. Undecided. Nope, can't get above those EMAs. Keeps trying. Gold. Look at gold running. Gold's getting near its all-time highs. Not, I mean, not like about to hit it, but I think it's like 2470. It just have hit 2500 sometime in the next few days. Falling. 5 minute chart would have given me a setup, but 1 minute didn't. Well, I lie. The 1 minute did give me a setup. It was this purple candle here, and I didn't take it. So I lie. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We've reached the top of the hour. Finishing green right now in 2 accounts. I'll continue trading somewhat throughout the day. I got some work to do on the prop side of stuff too. But hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Enjoy the All-Star game if you're a baseball fan tonight. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for more fun, exciting trading action. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.